What is going on, Coaster Spotters? This is Alex, and we're going to do a full tour of Knuckleheads Family Entertainment Center in Wisconsin Dells. Let's go inside. We've got lots of arcades. This place is huge. Look how big it is. Alright, so they do have wristbands, and here's some of the prices as of August 2022. And then the single rides. So we're going to head to the left and kind of clockwise around. First thing is Hollowgate, which is a virtual reality experience. You kind of see what they're doing up there. They're all battling each other in some kind of battle royale, it looks like. And you have such a huge arcade. It is ginormous with lots of redemption, new and old stuff, modern stuff. It's actually quite the good collection. You have the XD40 Dark Ride. Here are the movies they have available. Zombie, Alien, Asteroid, and Forsaken Mind. These are always fun and they're interactive. You're shooting as you go. And then you have the bumper cars, which are fun. These are like bumper boats on land. You have two levers and you can spin them like crazy. It's a lot of fun. The lights are going crazy. Yeah, you spin and you bump. So this was the point where I was going to tell you about their new roller coaster. However, I am editing this many months later, and in preparation for this video, I did some research and found out that it closed in April. So that's unfortunate. It was really unique as a terrain kiddie coaster. It was a lot of fun. Hopefully you had a chance to do it, but I'm telling you about this because they are planning a new roller coaster. They say they're going to announce more details in the fall, so I would expect a late 2023 or early 2024 opening of that. And in the meantime, they are opening a new attraction called Buttheads. I am not sure what that is. Sounds like something golf related, but hit that bell for instant notifications when a video comes out because we'll be back to the Wisconsin Dells area at some point, hopefully in 2024. So let's get back to the video. And then here is the Tornado Classic Carnival ride. I can't believe it actually fits in this building, but they had to actually raise the ceiling there. That's fun. But it's kind of like a teacup ride, but you lift up, you tilt a little bit, you're hanging instead of being in a teacup, and you can twist it or you can do relatively little. So you can see that one car is empty and not much is going on, but then, you know, got some crazy kids spinning it real fast. There are a few corn operated rides like this carousel. Little racing car that just goes around in a circle there. It is so cute. Look how small it is. And also Incredible Pizza. That's a chain that's in a lot of the Midwest. The point is, life did not start there. You have the Flying Tigers, which is like a whip ride, but you're inverted. You swing out, go around and around in this circle. It's a lot of fun. You feel like you're kind of flying and being whipped around at the same time. There's this giant bubble that kids can just jump on. That is so cute. They're having the time of their lives. And there is the Flying Tigers in action. As you can see, it just swings out pretty gently. Technically, adults can ride with their children on this one if they want to. And over here, we have where the go-karts are and a ropes course. That's you start here and you go all the way above. Only one level, but lots of little obstacles to do. And can't believe they fit a go-kart track in here. This is so cool. They are pretty slow for the most part. You can see that you go down, you pass underneath that far section, then you come up and around, pass over yourself again, and repeat. Pretty impressive that this was fit in here. This building apparently was originally a grandstand for, I believe, horse racing or something, and they converted it into a FEC, which is pretty cool. They do have a snack bar where you can get pizza, appetizers, and there's a bar. Let's go check it out. Oh no, this bar is pretty cool. Look at this wooden bar. Love it. And they have 10 lanes of a full bowling alley. I love all the lights. This is a party in here. I love it. Look at this. Kind of distracting though, but I love it. So trampoline park is 16 minutes. Jump is just $16. 90 is 20. That seems like a really good deal actually. And renting a lane is $40. Here's a look at some of the stuff you can jump. You got the basketball stuff, and then just jumping wall things. Kind of find it weird that where you get the bowling shoes is right next to the bar. Hopefully they don't ever mix the two. But yeah, there's the jumping stuff. That's so cool. They have an absolutely massive prize cake. Look at all this.
Let's get 4 of these.
That's a lot of prizes. Wow. You could even get a Star Wars drone. And here's just another general look at some of the arcade games they have here. Nothing retro, unfortunately. I would have preferred that. But, I mean, this place is pretty big. I like how much they pack into here. And then there is a restaurant that's attached next door. Let's take a quick look. Yeah, this looks fun. But there's this giant model around the entire seating area. This is amazing of Lego. These are all like stock Lego models, but they're really cool. Like there's the Hogwarts one and the Cinderella's castle from the world. I believe you can get your drink delivered to you here. I feel like I saw that coming into town. Really cool vibe here. So it wasn't crazy. They do advertise as your food delivered by train. I think that's going to be it from Knuckleheads, and I guess we also went into Buffalo Phil's Grill. Looks amazing actually in there. I'd like to come back and try that at some point. But that's it. Thanks for watching. This has been Alex. Consider subscribing and hitting that bell for instant notifications for when videos come out, because we're going to be doing a few videos in the Wisconsin Dells area, such as Noah's Ark, Mount Olympus. Thanks for watching. Bye.